Our second debate. Those who lost the battle in the Supreme Court are trying every trick in the book here also to stop the construction of the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. Now, Asaduddin Owaisi is trying to bring back the Mandir Masjid narrative by questioning the Prime Minister's visit. We expose the Block Mandir Brigade tonight. Let's debate.
On August 5th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay this brick in Ayodhya, paving the way for Ram Mandir construction. And as India counts down to the historic day, the anti-Mandir Brigade is feeling the heat. Asaduddin Owaisi has brought back the Mandir Masjid debate. He tweets, and I quote, "Attending Bhumi Pujan in official capacity will be a violation of PM's constitutional oath. Secularism is part of the basic structure of constitution. We can't forget that for over 400 years, Babri stood in Ayodhya and it was demolished by a criminal mob in 1992. Just 8 days before the Bhumi Pujan, is Owaisi provoking once again?
प्रधानमंत्री इस भूमि पूजन में बहैसियत प्रधानमंत्री शिरकत ना करें, अटेंड ना करें। तो प्रधानमंत्री उस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के उस सॉलम कमिटमेंट को जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमको देता है कि सेकुलरिज्म इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
As the day draws closer, the campaign against Mandir is getting exposed. Whether it was Pawar's COVID analogy, or Uddhav's e-Bhumi Pujan request.
मी जाऊन येईन, पण लाखो राम भक्त जे तिकडे उपस्थित राहू इच्छित असतील त्यांचं तुम्ही काय करणार? त्यांना तुम्ही अडवणार का? त्यांना येऊ देणार आणि त्यांच्यामध्ये कळत नकळत कोरोनाचा प्रसार होऊ देणार? कारण हा आनंदाचा क्षण आहे. आणि नाही तर तुम्ही व्हिडिओ कॉन्फरन्सवरून उद्घाटन भूमिपूजन करू शकता.
Or lobbies attempts to block Mandir. And now, Owaisi trying to throw spanner in the works. Why oppose PM from going to Ayodhya? What is wrong with live broadcast of Bhumi Pujan? What is communal about Bhumi Pujan? And finally, are they blocking Mandir only because they failed in courts? Let's debate.
Okay, viewers, on the debate this evening, I have with me GVL Narasimha Rao, Prafulla Ketkar, MR Venkatesh, Tanveer Ahmed, Maulana Syedul Qadri, Vivek Srivastav, and Advocate Asghar Khan. Let's go straight to the chase. It's not a legal dispute, first of all, but I will come with a very straightforward question here. जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी, कादरी जी मेरी बात सुनिए गहराई से, translated, please listen to my point I am raising with the depth that it deserves. Mr. Qadri, जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इंदौर गए थे सैफी मस्जिद में, तो क्या धर्मनिरपेक्षता को खतरा था? When the Prime Minister went to the Saifi Masjid in Indore, was it a threat to secularism? जब प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने अजमेर शरीफ में चादर भेजी, तब क्या धर्मनिरपेक्षता को खतरा था? When the Prime Minister sent a chadar to Ajmer Sharif Dargah, was it a threat to धर्मनिरपेक्षता? Question number 3, जब पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंह ने अक्षरधाम मंदिर का उद्घाटन किया था, क्या वो सांप्रदायिक था? When the former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh inaugurated the Akshardham temple, was it communal? और जब राहुल बाबा इफ्तार पार्टी में जाते हैं, तो क्या वो सांप्रदायिक हैं? When Rahul Baba goes to iftar parties, is it communal? You've been going on saying the Prime Minister going for the Ram Mandir, and viewers hashtag is Mandir coming soon. You are repeatedly saying it's communal. Why?
सुनिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी जो है वजीर आजम हैं और नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सैफी मस्जिद में गए, केदारनाथ मंदिर में जाकर बाज़ाब्ता एक मॉडल के जैसा शूटिंग भी करवाई।
बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल। क्या बोला आपने? 1 मिनट, बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल। आपने क्या बोला? शूटिंग के लिए 1 मिनट, बी केयरफुल। What did you say? 1 minute, GVL. You 1 minute. Prime Minister went on a pilgrimage to Kedarnath. What did you say? Prime Minister went on a pilgrimage to Kedarnath. What did you say? Would you dare say this about any other religion? 1 minute. Prime Minister went on a pilgrimage to Kedarnath. Do you know the importance of Kedarnath for Hindus in this country? What did you call it? Please apologize. Apologize. आप किसी और धर्म के बारे में बोलते हैं?
पूरे देखिए, पूरे अकीदत के साथ जाएं, उसमें मुझे कोई एतराज नहीं।
No, you cannot utter nonsense on this channel. You cannot utter nonsense.
No. Look, he can
then
go
expect not to be
anywhere.
challenged. No, you cannot carry on with this kind of rubbish.
Prime Minister of India has inaugurated many, has gone to many mandis. We don't have any objection. But when
it's a matter of deep faith for all Hindus, including the Prime
now,
Minister.
Kadri,
Kadri,
Mr. Kadri, Mr. Kadri, then what you are saying is,
This country will not tolerate.
No,
Do
Mr.
not behave like
Babri
a
Masjid
Baba.
issue is very critical. Babri Masjid issue is very critical. Here many thousands of life has been sacrificed for this cause. And the Supreme Court has also been very careful while giving the order, while giving the verdict. The Supreme Court said the land given to the mandir and the land given to the masjid has to be there on the same time. That means the Supreme Court don't want any other.
The Supreme Court has said, 1 minute, this is wrong. The Supreme Court has said, everyone on please. Supreme Court has said that you give land to which your Supreme Leader, Asaduddin Owaisi, said something like khairat nahi chahiye. That was the words. This section is being co-anchored by our legal editor, by our executive editor, and by our political editor. Abhishek, Aishwarya, and Rhythm are on the panel.
So much care that one community should not feel that he has been defeated, or one community should not feel that they have been hurt. They have taken so much care. We don't want that land, that is for sure. But Supreme Court taken.
Why are you hurt at the construction of a Ram temple which has been decided, mandated by the Supreme Court on the debate right now? I hand it over to my colleagues in Delhi. My question is, why would you feel hurt at the construction of a Ram temple in Ayodhya? On the debate, I hand it over to them.
They take leverage because they can. Or not, they take leverage because they can. Mr. Kadri, can you say this about Akhilesh Yadav? Can you say this about BSP Supremo Mayawati? Can you say this about any other leader of any other party? Can you say this about Rahul
Thank you,
Gandhi?
Mr. Kadri is frozen. You can put the question to others also.
You will only say this.
बाबरी मस्जिद की शहादत के बाद जिस तरह से माहौल बना है, उसके माहौल के पेश नजर।
अरे यार, शहादत उसको बोलते हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट को आप काउंटर करते हैं. You counter the Supreme Court. GVL, they only counter the Supreme Court. No. You counter the Supreme Court, Vivek. Why are you countering the Supreme Court? You said Supreme Court.
We are not countering the Supreme Court, but this
I can't hear us.
By the Supreme Court order. Why now?
The Constitution.
Why?
Muslim community who
Let's
still
speak one by
continue
one.
with the Babar mindset.
GVL is answering.
See, first of all, the Ram Mandir issue has been settled. The Ram Mandir issue has been settled by the court. Nobody has a problem in it. The problem is the Prime Minister is acting communal. He is trying to represent the majority community. And Ayodhya has been a point of dispute. Ayodhya has been a point of dispute for many. Even if the Supreme Court has given a verdict,
You have said that the Prime Minister is appeasing the. Just a minute. A question for you, Vivek. It's a question for you. You have said, therefore, please allow me. You have said the Prime Minister is appeasing the Hindu community. You can be frank. This is Republic. You're talking about minority community. If you're talking about Muslims, you say Muslims. Or you say Hindus. This is not a place, we don't play the ABC of facts.
appeasing the Hindus.
I am giving the entire, if you are saying he's appeasing Hindus.
Appeasing the Hindus.
You are saying he's appeasing Hindus. by
Yes.
going to the
He is trying to play to the gallery for the majority Hindus.
Okay, so
He's
may I
playing
ask
to
you
the
a question?
gallery
Vivek, I
of the
understood that.
majority
Don't
Hindus
repeat yourself.
and
I am a
trying
man
to
of
prove
above
that he is
average
a greater
intelligence.
Hindu.
Listen to me. Listen to me. You have said that the Prime Minister is appeasing Hindus.
In Abu Dhabi. Yes. Prime Minister has gone to the Sarkhet Roza Mosque in Ahmedabad. Prime Minister has taken Prime Minister of Japan Shinzo Abe to the Sidi
Ayodhya
Sayyid
is
Mosque
an
in
exceptional
Ahmedabad.
case.
Prime
You
Minister
cannot compare
has
Ayodhya
gifted the Chairaman
to
Mosque model to
Badrinath or
the
Kedarnath
Crown
or
Prince of Saudi
Kathmandu.
Arabia.
Ayodhya
It was Indira
has
Gandhi
been-
who went to
has
Deoband
a
in
controversial
1980.
history.
It was
There
Indira
was a
Gandhi
court case
who
involved.
started her
The minority
1979
community was
campaign
not happy.
from Ambaji
The Prime
Temple in
Minister should have
Gujarat.
shown
It was
a
Rajiv
bigger
Gandhi
heart,
who
which he did
started
not.
as sitting
The Prime Minister is selective
1989
and
campaign
also
from
there is a
Ayodhya
misuse
calling
of
for
the
the coming
state
of Ram
machinery.
Raj.
There
It
is a
was Sonia
misuse
Gandhi,
of
listen,
Doordarshan.
it was Sonia Gandhi
Prasar
who
Bharati
started
Act
Gujarat
is also
Congress's
violated.
2002 campaign
The clauses
immediately
of the
after
Prasar
Gujarat
Bharati
riots
are also
from
violated.
Ambaji Temple in North
You
Gujarat.
cannot have
What
a
are you talking
broadcast
about?
of
I
the
mean,
Bhumi Pujan.
Asaduddin Owaisi, does he understand the dynamics of this
Violation
country?
of the Prasar
And does he
Bharati.
Vivek.
remember, he comes from a constituency where, remember, on the last point,
You
he comes
cannot-
from a constituency
It's not a
where he has
question of
won with
understanding.
59%
For a
votes.
Prime Minister,
Muslim population is
every citizen should be the
44%.
same.
Hindus constitute
Whatever
majority,
be the religion
52%.
and
Which
whatever be
means
the caste.
the majority community
And
has
the Prime
actually
Minister
voted for
just
him.
wants to take
Abhishek
the
is
country.
Abhishek.
And the
Represent the
Prasar Bharati
sentiments
Act.
of
Abhishek, may I?
who have voted for him.
Abhishek really fired up on the debate. I want to add one more point to Abhishek's brilliant series of points there. Vivek, listen to me. When Abhishek gives you such wisdom for free, you must absorb it. Now I want to give you one more additional. You must thank him. You must say thank you, Abhishek,
you cannot
for
have a
enlightening me. Now my question is, I would add to my,
No, what thank you?
I would
You're
add
not
to
talking about
Abhishek's series of points there. I would add one more thing, MR. Prime Minister also went for the inauguration of the Kartarpur corridor. Right? Prime Minister also went to Shravan Belagola to the Mahavir Mandir. Was that communal?
वहाँ मस्जिद नहीं
No,
गिराई
their
गई
problem
थी.
is with the Ram
There
temple.
was no Hindu versus
Then it becomes Hindu appeasement. Was he doing Sikh appeasement or Jain appeasement elsewhere?
Settled by the Supreme Court.
Ayodhya is an
MR is on the debate. Mandir coming soon.
Don't you believe the Supreme Court of the country and the Constitution of
And
India?
the Prime Minister is playing to the gallery.
The Prime Minister is going
And
there
you're
not as a
violating
Prime
and
Minister,
misusing the Doordarshan.
but as a
You
representative
cannot
of
use
each
the
and every
Doordarshan
Indian.
to broadcast
Please understand
the
that.
Bhumi
The
Pujan.
Prime Minister
You
is
cannot.
going there to represent you
But
and me.
what's wrong in playing
All
to
of
the
us
gallery
cannot
in the business
go.
of
And that is why the
politics?
Prime Minister is going there.
Listen.
And the Prime Minister better goes there.
The tech-
He
What's
better
wrong
goes there
in playing
representing
to the
me and you.
gallery? He is in the
And he
business
has
of
to go there
politics.
because
Politics is about
it is the
getting
Supreme
maximum
Court
number
verdict,
of
the
people on your
unanimous verdict
side.
of the Honorable Supreme Court that the Ram Mandir has to be there, and the Ram Mandir existed
Yes,
there,
that is
and the
what
Ram
the
Mandir
Prime
will
Minister
exist.
Now I want to argue on the constitutional point, and I'd like to bring in rhythm on this. 1 minute, 1 minute. I am being told, rhythm, by these well-informed people. Of course, none of us are well-informed. They say it is a violation of the Prime Minister's constitutional oath. Mr. Owaisi, where did you study law? I really want to debate with you. I want to explain the Constitution to you. Tanvi, don't look down. Debate with me. The constitutional oath is the following, and rhythm takes it forward. Bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established. How is attending a Bhumi Pujan a violation of this oath? Rhythm, over to you.
Prasar Bharati Act.
Tanveer is on air and Advocate Asghar Khan
And
is on
Arnab,
air.
there is one question that all the panelists, MR, all in fact, Advocate Asghar Khan, Tanveer, the simple question here is all politicians can also go to any place of worship. All citizens can go to any place of worship. This is something mandated in our fundamental rights of the Constitution of India. The Prime Minister is also a citizen and also a politician, and he also has the right to practice at any place of worship. He's also got the right to go and also give and belong to any place of worship. So is there any law that you are saying he's violating if he as the Prime Minister goes and tries to say that I'm going to be a part of the Bhumi Pujan? There is absolutely no such law. Point number one. Point number two, Vivek, you spoke earlier, but my question is going to be to Asghar, to Advocate Asghar as well as to Tanveer here. It is very simply something that you've been again trying to play politics. And I try to remember, and I go back to 2010 when I remember Arnab was on that debate in 2010 in Lucknow when the Allahabad High Court order had come at that time, and even at that time there was politicization of this issue. In 2017 when again this issue came to the Supreme Court, there was politicization. In 2018 when Kapil Sibal and a host of other lawyers tried to stage a walkout, when there was a former Chief Justice, there was politicization. Owaisi spoke up. I remember Mr. Salve at that time, I said don't bring up the Babri issue, but yet again Owaisi once again today does just that. So Advocate Asgar, you also know very well this is only being done for appeasement. It's no longer about Ram Mandir. This is more about why the Prime Minister is choosing to go there to practice his right to worship as a citizen he has the right to do under the Constitution of India.
Here the question arises by the Owaisi is 100% correct. This is the violation of kindly.
Go on, Tanveer.
This is violation of, yes, violation of secularism. This is the basic mandate of Constitution. The preamble of the Constitution says, the Prime Minister or any responsible official cannot attend or participate the specific religious ceremony. Number one.
No, it doesn't say that.
Where does that say?
This is not.
No,
Where does it say that?
Mandir.
Wait, no, 1 minute. Advocate Asgar, counter to you, please. Counter to you. Advocate Asgar, counter to you. Advocate counter to you. Prime Minister Narendra Modi went to Indore Saifi Mosque to attend Ashara Mubarakah, the commemoration of the death anniversary of Imam Hussain in 2018. Was that against secularism? And the Prime Minister also visited the Colombo Catholic Church that was bombed during the Easter suicide attacks to show solidarity with the community there. Was that against secularism? Prime Minister went to Bear Sahib Gurdwara. No, why are you targeting the Ram Temple?
I fail to understand what is the need to attend this ceremony.
Who are you to decide that? No, you fail to understand, that's your problem. Prafulla Ketkar. Prafulla Ketkar. Argument he puts is I don't understand. You won't understand.
The COVID-19 is going on.
You won't understand.
He doesn't understand. He doesn't understand because he doesn't want to understand.
On the one hand,
I will tell you what is violation of Constitution and what is violation of secularism. The party that Asaduddin Owaisi heads is All India Majlis-e-Ittehad ul-Muslimin, All India Council for Unity of Muslims. That is communal. He is the same person who has opposed the triple talaq decision actually given by the Supreme Court and the bill passed by the Parliament. But again he opposed that. That is communal. That is violation of Constitution and secularism. He is the person who said Sharia is above Constitution. That is violation of secularism and Constitution. He is the same person, and his party has always, discarded the importance of law and order. They have discarded the importance of police machinery, the courts, the law, and still he gives lecture on Constitution. That is the biggest irony. The party that is created only for the unity of Muslims is giving lectures on secularism and Constitution. What can be more hypocritical than this? This is an outcome of a struggle of 492 years of struggle by Hindus. This is the struggle of 70 years in the legal court. Now after that, once the issue is settled, this is a national ceremony. This should be celebrated. This is not just a religious ceremony. This is a national ceremony. This is a restoration of national pride. This is a restoration of national symbol. We should celebrate it. Please don't communalize it. Everything is over now. The Supreme Court has settled the case. Now celebrate it as a national occasion. This is a momentous occasion in the history of independent India, and therefore we should celebrate it.
Why are you having? Tanveer? Okay. Let me. I have a bad audio link with you there. Tanveer is on the debate with MR right now. Tanveer and MR. It's a very, very happy occasion. It may not be for some people on the panel, but it is a happy occasion. Why are
It
people
is a
making
happy
it?
occasion for all Hindus, all Indians, everybody.
Yeah.
Because this is the time we have put behind all our acrimony, and we are seeing that this is the time that we are building the nation. This is the time we are realizing the civilizational roots, and India is becoming Bharat, which is the best
And we-
possible guarantee to all secularists, which is the best possible guarantee that we can give it to all our minority brothers and sisters. India being Bharat, India being tracing itself to its traditional roots, to its civilizational roots, is the best possible.
And
guarantee
besides that,
that anybody can
I
do.
remind our viewers
But-
today, MR.
But the problem is
Besides that, I remind our viewers today, MR. I remind our viewers today, MR, besides this. Besides this, I remind our viewers today, MR, that we made a solemn promise to each other. We made a solemn promise before the verdict, the night before the verdict, we says, whoever wins, we will celebrate. Right? So the Hindus won. Celebrate Tanveer. Don't say don't do a live telecast. Why not? The live telecast is part of the celebration of the Supreme Court verdict. I will live telecast the event on Republic.
Arnab,
It is part of our celebration. Why this bitterness?
Arnab.
Why go and say don't telecast the event? Prime Minister must not go there. What is the problem with the broadcast when Doordarshan every year also broadcasts events?
Tanveer, the Prime Minister is representing you, representing me.
No.
Everybody when he goes
No, I
there,
also-
he is not there as a Prime Minister.
Also,
he is there
as far as the-
as a representative of all sides.
I hand back
Can
to
I speak,
Aishwarya
please?
and Abhishek, and
Can I
one point
speak,
I want to
please?
make before I give it to you, Tanveer.
Can I
The
speak, please,
Doordarshan
Arnab? Can I
also
speak?
broadcasts events like the Midnight Mass from Vatican City and messages from the Pope on Christmas Eve. That is not communal. It cannot become Hindu hate, no?
Arnab,
Yes, Tanveer.
Arnab, I don't belong to a party of Asaduddin Owaisi, and I don't really.
I know where your sympathies lie.
Article 25 of this country allows you to profess. Article 25 of this country allows you to profess, protect, and promote your religion. The Prime Minister of India is a Hindu, and he has all the right to go there. If tomorrow the Prime Minister invites me, I would definitely like to go, and so would my Chief Minister would go. There are certain people sitting in the panel from both the sides, whether the RSS people or likes of Oasis, who would like to definitely always get benefited out of
Praful, what benefit is Praful, who is from the RSS,
I
getting?
think now both the parties, whether it is
Praful is from
Kelkar
RSS,
or-
what benefit is he getting?
What is the
RSS
benefit
is the one
you are
who has
talking about?
always.
I said it is a national occasion. I said
Sir,
it is a
until
matter
unless
of
the country
national
is not
pride. What is
divided,
the
you will never
benefit?
get any importance, sir. No, yeah, sir, you are not part of nation building at all, sir. You are only part of building your organization and your political ideology, which is based on hatred, which is based on divisive politics, which is based
Who are
on
you to
picking
decide?
up on
Who
issues
you
which
to
are
decide?
absolutely
We are discussing
not in the
Ram
favor of the
Temple here,
country.
and
Sir,
I'm proud
I am
that
an
either
honorable
BHP or
citizen of this
RSS
country.
have played a
I
great
am
role
honorable
in building
citizen
the
of this
movement
country
of this
who has
national
seen
consciousness. You have no right to make a comment on this. You have been communalizing and
Sir,
people.
everybody,
and you
India
just
had
said,
national
you just said
consciousness
if you are
for
invited,
about
you would join
5,000
them.
years.
You said you are
Sir,
not party to the
You
OAC,
have just
but
come
you are
into
making
picture
the similar
now.
kind of statement.
You have come into picture
this
now.
This is not the time to communalize, please.
conscience of this country existed for last 5,000 years. We don't need to learn
Thank you
national
for saying
consciousness
this.
from RSS.
Thank you for-
we always
thank you for
had
saying
it.
this.
My
Thank you for
forefathers have
saying
it. My
this.
children will have
And-
it.
Absolutely. And therefore,
Sri
we
Ram,
have to tell
Sri Ram
not to
is
believe
Maryada
people like
Purushottam.
Oasis.
You need to
and
really
please
follow
don't
his
bring
line,
in-
toe
please
his line.
don't bring in,
Sri Ram
you know,
ji,
the
Jairam
party
ji
which
की
talks
जब आप
only
बोलते
for the
हो
Muslims
तो राम
is
को मन के अंदर
communalism.
रखो.
That is the fundamental
शांति रहेगी,
violation of the
प्यार रहेगा,
constitution.
त्याग रहेगा,
and
करुणा
that is
रहेगी.
blatant
राम को अंदर
communalism.
रखो. माँ राम को यहाँ पर नहीं, राम को मैं अपने मन में रखता हूँ. मेरे मन में राम है.
Very good.
मेरे मन में राम है.
That's what
इसलिए
that's
मुझे
what
सबसे प्यार है.
Indian ethos
किसी से
is.
घृणा
Tell
नहीं
this
है.
to Owaisi.
किसी से
Don't
घृणा
But the
नहीं है.
mandir is a symbol of secularism. I'd like Aishwarya and Abhishek to take this forward. You see, for me, the limited point I'll make before I hand over to both of you, the mandir is a symbol of secularism. The OAC lobby should stop trying to claim otherwise. The Bhumi Pujan is a symbol of secularism. The emblem at the end of Ayodhya dispute that went on for 135 years is the Bhumi Pujan. The Bhumi Pujan signifies the end of a 135-year-old legal dispute and a 400-plus-year-old dispute. The stone laying ceremony for the Ram Mandir is a result of a 1,045-page, 805-paragraph and 3.03 lakh word Supreme Court judgment that ordered the construction of a Ram Mandir. Remember the words, ordered the construction of a Ram Mandir. It is the ultimate symbol of a secular India. Ultimate symbol of a secular India. Why is it bothering you? Hand it over to my colleagues in Delhi, please.
No, it is not secular.
Of course it is.
We have to understand what secular ethos really mean. We have to understand what secular ethos really mean, and it's really unfortunate that the judgment that should have actually brought a sense of closure to all communities involved, Asaduddin Owaisi is trying to rake a buck and creating a situation where discord could be a byproduct. I mean, it's unfortunate that he's doing it. And I have to add one more thing. The judgment also included giving 5 acres of land for the other side, which is for a mosque. Now remember, 5 acres, just to give you an idea, is twice the size of Delhi's Jama Masjid, which is perhaps India's biggest mosque. The judgment has been very balanced. It has taken care of secularism so far as the state is concerned. And Asaduddin Owaisi should not lose sight of that.
Vivek, thank you, Vivek.
Can I come in? I differ with a lot of what has been said.
Discussion is
Can I get a chance to speak?
Yeah, GVL. Vivek, you and GVL. Let GVL go first. You come in after that.
Or hesitating in saying what should be said. The resolution of the legal dispute is an end to the bigotry and intolerance of Islamic rule in this country.
GVL, tell me about
I think this is an end to the intolerance.
Violating it.
This is celebrating India's constitutional democracy.
It is a celebration.
This is celebrating India's independent jurisprudence. Prime Minister is going to celebrate that. He is not going in his personal capacity. It is he will go as the Prime Minister of this country to celebrate India's victory, India's democratic victory.
He should not go as the
Vivek,
bigotry and intolerance of Islamic rule
as the Prime Minister of the country.
Vivek, I will say this. The Ram Mandir is an icon of tolerance in a nation. Icon of tolerance. The Ram Mandir is a physical landmark of how in India many people tried to provoke a fight, but the fight is over. You wake up and see the fight is over. Qadri, the Mandir is a symbol of secularism. Celebrate it. Celebrate it, Maulana Qadri.
Celebrate every religion.
Of course, every religion is celebrated.
Celebrate our culture. If Mr. Modi has visited
Qadri,
Bhumi Pujan has been done on the same day.
India cannot celebrate your intolerance. India cannot celebrate your anti-Hindu sentiment.
To the Masjid Foundation Stone Day, same day, and Bhumi Pujan, same day. Then I could have appreciated him. But today he is not doing like that. 324 crore.
First of all, you will
develop the area
let me tell you.
How many crores
has been today? You are a spokesperson for the Baba.
Sanctioned around Masjid development
You are speaking as a spokesperson for the intolerant brigade.
Yogi Adityanath has visited proposed Masjid area. Tell me how many times he has visited.
No, I think you absolutely have no case today. You are exposing yourself. I think injustice meted out to the Hindus of this country for centuries, 5 centuries. You are still not willing to you're not still willing to accept a reconciliation.
We are under the rule of the Constitution of India, which Baba Sahib Ambedkar has given. What has happened in the past,
well, I thank you, viewers. I thank you, viewers. The hashtag Mandir coming soon reflects the fact that the Ram Mandir is going to be a marker of peace in the nation, viewers. And I know so many people from the Muslim community who are also supporting it. So let's not spread the division anymore. I thank you for joining me tonight, viewers. It's a relentless crusade for justice for Sushant. My investigative team is still on the ground. We'll find out more even if the police doesn't. And see you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.